KAIFA Industry Company Limited, safeguarding your safety with all our might. KAIFA Industry, an expert in shock absorbers for automobiles and motorcycles. The aesthetics presented by a dance comes from the coordination of all the muscles in the human body. A comfortable and safe driving or riding experience requires excellent shock absorbers. Therefore, we enable our employees to grow through continuous education and training, and we retain talent by building a happy enterprise with bountiful benefits. As a result, the turnover rate of over 1,000 of KAIFA's people across the world has always been below the industry average. In 1969, KAIFA Industry was based in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and established subsidiaries in China and Vietnam. Our team is more unified, and we can serve you with our outstanding craftsmanship and technology. Championships are not won in the theater of the arena. Repeated practice is the key to success. We have also selected professionals to form an R&D team and build an R&D laboratory. In addition to independent design capacity, we offer collaborative development of new products to quickly respond to your demands. Through constant R&D investments and industry, academia, government collaborations, from fundamental research at the initial phase, through mass production technology development and terminal production verification at the intermediate phase, to project completion, we have completed the proportional valve-controlled advanced shock absorber production process applicable to mass production in collaboration with the Metal Industries Research and Development Center and Industrial Development Bureau of the Ministry of Economic Affairs. We have also engaged in collaborative research with automotive experts to timely capture cutting-edge core technology of shock absorbers. All of these are there to fulfill our commitment to safety, to safeguard your life at all times. Power and beauty are presented after repeated practice. To ensure safety, we have adopted full-range production lines. We implement smart production to keep pace with the digital age. We provide service with well-established information systems, logistics management systems, and real-time production systems. Quality excellence is built upon uncompromised insistence. By establishing an advanced quality control laboratory, we control the quality of each part through multiple tests. Starting from order acceptance, in addition to fulfilling the customer's demands for high variety but low volume production, these systems also enable product traceability. We do more and do better than others to keep you safe at all cost. Besides complying with international standards, including Q1, IATF 16949, and ISO 14001, we exercise energy conservation and emission reduction at full stretch. By reducing VOCs, we acquire the cap-and-trade certificate from the Environmental Protection Authority. Solar photovoltaic can reduce carbon emissions. Solar power by setting 420 kilowatt solar panels with annual power generation of 536,652 kilowatts can help reduce CO2 emissions by 1,011 tons per year, equivalent to 2.59 Da'an forest parks, covering 25.9293 hectares. While safeguarding lives, we also protect the earth, for every life to blossom and shine. We have established a complete CSR program to fulfill our social responsibilities for the common good with our consumers. By earning global recognition through such concepts, we are able to trade across the globe and become the partner of various internationally renowned enterprises. We know the need for safety. We understand the value of life. Therefore, we maintain the safety of our consumers worldwide. We are a powerful support for homes. Our perseverance is your biggest support, allowing you to keep going without worries. Your safety, our mission. KAIFA Industry.